In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day with the Bluehost affiliate program. Now, this video is actually a part of a larger series that I'm launching where we talk about different affiliate programs on Fridays. If you want me to discuss your affiliate program or affiliate program that you're interested in, simply reply down below, comment down below, and I will create a video on Friday for your affiliate program. Also, comment down below your city, state, and province. I just ordered a brand new globe and I want to enter your city, my viewers, the city, state, province that you're located. I'm going to pin that to the globe. So comment both affiliate program that you're interested in learning more about, and also comment your city, state, province, or country so I can add it to the globe. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. So as I mentioned, what we're going to do today is we are going to talk about the Bluehost affiliate program, how much money you can make, how to start getting traffic, and the best ways to start getting traffic so that you can start making money online. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go over to a website called Impact Radius or impact.com. If you take a look at my screen here, impact.com is the affiliate network that partners with Bluehost. And this actually recently changed maybe about a month or two ago. What you'll need to do is you'll need to sign up for free with the Impact Radius affiliate network. And then once you're signed up, you'll have to apply to the Bluehost affiliate program. Now, the cool thing with the Bluehost affiliate program is they will start off paying you $65 per sale, per commission, anytime someone signs up using your affiliate link. So you'll just need 2 sales per day. And believe me, it's not as difficult as you may think. Now, the reason why I believe it's not difficult, A, because I earn commissions with Bluehost, but B, if we look up how many new websites are built every day, you're going to see there are literally hundreds of thousands of new websites that are being created every single day. So how many new websites are created every single day? You can see there are slightly more than 252,000 new websites are created globally. Every 24 hours, we get a 252,000 increase, and most people don't know how to build a website, and this is going to be your opportunity to get in front of those people and help them out. So the first thing that I want to show you is actually my YouTube channel. Yes, this is one of my YouTube channels. It is called Web Hosting Rewind. And what I do on this channel is I teach people how to start a blog and how to start a website. So if we look at this, a video that I uploaded last month has 40 views. Now you might say, Alston, that's not a lot of views, but we don't need a lot of views when we are creating highly targeted content. If you look at some of these, 265 views, 1.1 thousand views, 111 views, 4.3 thousand views, simply teaching people how to start a blog. And you can do this too. Now there's a few ways to go about it. You can come up to YouTube or Google and type in how to start a underscore blog, and then go through each letter of the alphabet like this. And you can see how to start a food blog, travel, successful, fashion, personal, lifestyle. And what you would do is simply create content here, teaching them how to start a blog step by step. And one of the things that they need to start a blog is web hosting. So in my videos, if you go back and watch my videos, I tell people, step 1, go get a domain name and web hosting. Step 2, and then, in step 1, I'll say, hey, click the link in the description for the best domain name and web hosting for beginners. Step 2, you need to install WordPress. And in fact, I actually recommend a WordPress platform as well so that I can make money there. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is actually teaching you how to make money with Bluehost. And so you can see how to start a music blog, 2.4 thousand views from a year ago. You can also do the same thing with website, how to start a underscore website. And people are going to be looking up like e-commerce website. People are going to be looking up a fashion website, all sorts of stuff. Look at this, how to start a blogging website, WordPress, dropshipping, news. And you simply walk them through the process of starting this. And what we can do is we can go over to a paid keyword research tool. This is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. Now, you don't have to use this tool. In fact, we could do the same thing with answerthepublic.com. And we're going to type in how to start a website. And you're going to see that there are tons of questions. Now, there are other ways that I'll get into in just a moment, but how to start a website like this, hit enter. And if we take a look, you're going to see that there are different subcategories that people are asking. So how to start a website, 76 questions. People are asking how to start a website for free, how to start a website and earn money, how to start a coding website so you could create content there. This is just one way. Another way that you can create content and get in front of a highly targeted audience is we can type in Bluehost review like this, hit the space bar, and people are asking how good Bluehost is as a web hosting platform. You can see the competition is very low, volume is pretty good. So you create content, and if we take a look at this, 19,000 views, only 3,000, almost 4,000 subscribers. So you don't need a huge following in order to start getting traffic and making money. But if we look, 10,000 views, 12,000 subscribers. You just need to create the content and people will come as long as your content is pretty good. Another thing that we can do is we can do Bluehost versus. I really like Bluehost versus. And what you can do is go through each letter of the alphabet and create content here. Bluehost versus SiteGround. Which one is right for me? If we look, 3.2 thousand views from 3 months ago, 7.6 thousand views, 4.6 thousand views, and you're just going to compare the two. Now, I'm sure you're asking, how do I compare if I've never done SiteGround? You're going to look up SiteGround reviews and you're going to compare the metrics. Now, people are out there doing these metrics. We could do like SiteGround metrics. SiteGround metrics, and we can also talk about who SiteGround is for. So if we look at this Core Web Vitals, this is on SiteGround's website. You can do the Web Vitals comparison and potentially make money there. So if we go back here, you are going to compare Bluehost versus their competitors and make a recommendation. And be honest with the recommendation. Bluehost is good for entry level, but if someone is looking for, someone has more traffic, their website brings in more money, maybe that's not the best situation. And if you're honest with people and you tell them, hey, Bluehost isn't going to be great if you're already getting 100,000 monthly views to your website, people are going to trust you more. So we did comparison, Bluehost versus SiteGround. Another thing that we can do is we can do something like best web hosting for. We'll say best web hosting for, and then if we hit the space bar, you can see best web hosting for e-commerce. You can put together a list of the 5 or 10 best web hosting providers for e-commerce, and then say, hey, look, my number one recommended website, click my number one recommended web hosting provider, click the first link in the description and get instant access today. Once again, you see the competition isn't too bad, lots of traffic here. You just need to be consistent with creating content. Now, another great way to do this is something that I talked about a while back. People are looking up business name generator. So if we look at this, and this is such a cool approach in my opinion, if we did businessnamegenerator.com, and you can actually do this with either a blog or a website. This is a website. People will enter in a business name. So maybe they're into tennis, right? And they want to get a business name idea based on tennis. And so what this website does is they will come up with a bunch of different suggestions, and then they say, hey, why don't you check and see if this domain name is available? But look, this actually goes over to GoDaddy. They can check it out and you can register your domain name. And if I click this link and I purchase Flora Tennis, this company gets a commission. So they're actually doing affiliate marketing as well. Another thing that you can do is if we go back over to YouTube, we can do something like how to start an underscore business. All right. So if we did like how to start a art business, one of the things that people need when they start an art business is a website. And then you can walk them through the step. So you could come up with like a 10-step guide on how to start an art business, and really any business you just plug in and make the necessary changes. But one of the things that they need is domain name and web hosting. They're also going to need a logo, and you could recommend Fiverr. But again, that's not the point of this video. But you can see that there are tons of different opportunities to promote Bluehost. So you might be thinking, hey, this is going to get really crowded and really competitive. I just gave you like 10 different ways that you could promote Bluehost and make $100 per day or more. It's really as easy as that. Teaching people how to start a business, teaching people how to build a website or a blog, doing comparison between SiteGround and Bluehost, or Bluehost and their competitors. Again, and you can actually use Ahrefs to do this for free. I personally you can do this for free with Answer the Public. I like Ahrefs because it makes it a little bit easier and cleaner, but you can see there are lots of different options here. Let's see how to make a website with WordPress. You walk them through that process and you can earn a commission. how to start a website like OnlyFans. People are looking that up. You teach them, hey, you need to get a domain name and web hosting. Now, you want to make sure that you're checking the terms of service with Bluehost. I don't know if they allow not safe for work content. That might be something that you look into. But yeah, this is a really good opportunity to make $100 per day because you just need 2 sales. Now, are you going to make 2 sales tomorrow? Maybe, maybe not. What's important is that you consistently create content, preferably on a platform that's going to pay you, something like TikTok. Oh, by the way, speaking of TikTok, you could come over here and teach people how to start a blog. Look at this, 66,000 views, 54,000 views, 17,000 views. And I just typed in how to start a blog. We could come back here and change this, how to start a website like this, website. And if we look at this, how to start a website for a business, we click on this one and we can see that almost 100,000 views here, over 500,000 views. So there are hundreds of thousands of views simply teaching people how to start a website. And then once you get 1,000 followers, you can put a link in your bio or a link in your description. What I recommend that you do is, instead of just directly linking over to Bluehost, send them to a landing page where you collect their name and their email and then offer them some sort of bonus or a guide. One bonus or guide that you could offer is like 50 ways to get more traffic to your website, or, SEO tips for beginners, something that they're going to need that's going to help them, incentivize them to get their website. Now that you know how to promote Bluehost, there's still a little bit more that you need to know when it comes to affiliate marketing. Watch this video next to learn more about affiliate marketing.